There are two ways to add a new page to your site, one using the Elementor editor and one through the WordPress admin panel. To add a page with Elementor, click the page dropdown at the top middle and then click Add New Page. And just like that, we have a new page that we can edit. You can name the page by clicking the Page Settings button in the top left. That's the button with the page and gear icon. And then under General Settings and Title, give the page a name. Let's call it Products. Now there's one other way to add a page, but before we do that, let's quickly save this one. Go up to the top right, click the dropdown, and click Save Draft. Now the other way to create and manage pages is directly within the WordPress admin panel. To get back to the WordPress admin panel, click the Elementor icon in the top left, then click Exit to WordPress. Then click the WordPress icon in the top left. Here in the WordPress admin panel, on the left side, you can see that the Pages nav item is selected. This is the view where you can manage all of your existing WordPress pages. As we hover over them, we can see buttons to perform various tasks like edit, quick edit, trash the page, view it, or edit with Elementor. Some of these pages have the Edit with Elementor option enabled, and others don't. The ones that have Edit with Elementor were created by Elementor and can be managed with it. The other ones, you have to use the WordPress block editor, so we're going to skip working with those for now. To add a new page, click Add Page at the top. And just like that, we have a new page. We can give it a title, we can save the draft, and even publish it right from this view. If you want to edit it with Elementor, you can click the Edit with Elementor button. Let's go back to the WordPress pages. To delete a page that you've created, click the trash link under the name for the page. And just like that, the page was deleted.